In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Shure PG58. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up the PG58 model of microphones from Shure, and you will be using it in conjunction with the receiver that you see here. So first, make sure that you plug the included power supply into the receiver. You can use any standard power outlet as long as it is receiving sufficient power. You will be able to see these status indicators and the LED light up. So after you plug it into any power outlet, make sure that you power it on. If it is receiving sufficient power, it is going to light everything up accordingly. Now, you can do the same for the microphone. First, unscrew the bottom cap. So use this bottom cap and then remove it, and you will be able to input the necessary amount of batteries. Usually this is going to be 2 AA batteries, so include them in here. And once it has the batteries included, you will be able to synchronize both devices. So you will see some numbers and letters in here. You can change the group and the channel by pressing these buttons, and all that you have to do is note down the channel and the group that you see. Now, after you unscrew the bottom cap, inside you will be able to set up the group and the channel on this LED indicator on the microphone itself. So unscrew the bottom cap and then use these buttons to change the channel and the group. Basically, you just need to make sure that this is matching whatever is shown on the Shure receiver here. So make sure that both of them are on the same group and channel. You can then place the microphone in close proximity of the receiver and they will connect between themselves automatically. You just need to make sure that you included the necessary amount of batteries and that they are on the same transmission channel over here. And as long as they are, put them in close proximity and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Shure PG58. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.